In this video, we will dive into a detailed review of Aviva Car Insurance, covering key features, benefits, and what makes it stand out in the market. Aviva is one of the largest insurer in the UK, known for offering a broad range of car insurance coverage options. It is a trusted name for drivers looking for reliable and flexible protection. There are several types of coverage offered by Aviva. The comprehensive insurance offers full protection for you and your vehicle. The third-party fire and theft insurance covers damage to other vehicles plus fire and theft protection for yours. If you want to take third-party only, you will get minimum legal coverage, which will protect you against liability to others. This flexibility allows you to choose the right plan based on your needs and budget. There's also some optional extras. It provides breakdown assistance, which helps when your car breaks down. It also provides legal protection, which covers for legal expenses after an accident. It also provides windscreen cover, which protects for repairing or replacing damaged windscreens. Aviva is praised for its excellent customer service and efficient claim process. Their mobile app and online platform make it easier to manage your policy, make claims, track claim progress. It also provides 24/7 claim support. Lines ensures help is available whenever you need it. It is best for the first-time car owners, experienced drivers, and anyone looking for flexibility and added coverage. It is perfect for those who value extra protection beyond standard policies. So, in conclusion, Aviva Car Insurance offers reliable coverage, excellent customer service, and flexible policy options. It is a solid choice for anyone seeking comprehensive protection and a smooth insurance experience. So, that's it for the review today. If this review helps, like, share, and subscribe.